Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm just gonna, this is kind of an impromptu video just because like I literally just got back from the gym. I'm still in like my workout clothes, but I decided to try aloe vera on my skin. Hold up, let me get my aloe vera. Okay, so I literally decided to try some aloe vera on my skin. I got some aloe vera from like the Mexican store. My skin isn't what it used to be. Basically, I've been breaking out. Like, as you can see, I have like, okay, yeah. I have like all these bumps up here, which I really don't know where they came from. I have all these bumps and like just a lot of discoloration. And I'm not the type of person, I don't like routines. I hate routines actually, which is why I don't really have a specific skincare routine, but I'm really trying to take care of my body and just my face and my hair. And I'm really just trying to do everything right basically with my body and my hair this year and my face and my skin, like basically everything. So I decided to try I'm deciding to try aloe vera. So basically I just got back from the gym, so I haven't actually taken a shower. So I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna come back and apply the aloe vera gel for you guys to see. And I'm basically gonna do this. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I'm gonna do this for about 5 days to a week. And I'm basically gonna apply it as a mask and leave it on overnight. Generally, my skin is pretty good. I usually get breakouts when it's that time of the month. I don't usually like break out seriously or anything. Maybe over the past month, I've been breaking out a lot more than usual. And then of course this thing on my forehead, which I thought it was just little bumps on my face. My parents, or my mom and my sister, thought it was a rash. I don't think it's a rash. It doesn't itch or anything, but it may be heat rash because I've been out in the sun a lot more than I usually am. I don't know. Whatever. So we're basically gonna try this out. So I'm gonna leave it on as a mask overnight, and basically right now I'm just gonna take a shower. I'm just gonna use my soap that I use all the time, which is African black soap. I'll leave a picture right here so you guys can see. That's just soap I use for my body, my face. I've been using it for maybe the past 5 years. So that's just what I generally use. So I'm just gonna wash my face, take a shower, and I'll be back to show you guys how I apply it, which is gonna be really simple because I don't like doing a lot of hard work, okay? All right, be back. My face is a little bit damp. I've divided the aloe vera gel in two, and what I did was I basically just squished them together to try to get the gel out. This was a lot slimier than I thought it was gonna be, and I shouldn't be doing this in my bedroom, but oh, shit. By the way, aloe vera is very bitter, so if you get it in your mouth, that's unfortunate for you. And really, this can actually last you a pretty long time because all you have to do is like squeeze the gel out. But I'm lazy, so I've put it all over my forehead where I'm getting all these breakouts. I've rubbed it over my face. This is definitely like new to my face, so my face isn't burning. It just feels like weird because I always put lotion on, and I think my skin is not used to having aloe vera gel. However, aloe vera is very moisturizing, so it shouldn't even matter. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this dry. Today's day 2, and I have my aloe vera in my hand right here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna try to help you see. My face, well, today when I woke up, my face felt a lot clearer, and basically all I did was I wiped the dry aloe vera from my face, and then I just washed my face and put some lotion on. Nothing too serious. So when I woke up this morning, my face did feel a whole lot smoother, and I felt like my face looked brighter. I might be hallucinating, but that's just how I felt. So this time, remember how I said my face was itching yesterday? So this time I soaked it in some water to take out whatever the yellow stuff. I don't know, I've researched it on YouTube. But now I'm just gonna do this again. Right now it's about 7:23, so almost the same time as yesterday. I really do feel like my face is a little bit brighter and is definitely a lot smoother, but I could also be tricking myself into thinking that. Yeah, today it definitely doesn't itch and I feel like it's applying a lot smoother than yesterday. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I think the pimples on my forehead did definitely get smaller, or the rash, I don't know what it was. Whatever it was on my forehead definitely did like decrease or whatever. So I'm just gonna go about the rest of my evening. Can you help me take my head thing off? Just pull it off.
Just gonna rub this point on your face?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's snotty.
You wanna put some on your face?
Hmm?
You wanna put some on your face?
Yeah. What if it gets itchy?
That's why I soak it in water. So hey guys, I wanted to film, sorry I'm kind of sick right now, but I wanted to film a little follow on just to show you guys my face at the end of this experiment. My skin has, I feel like it has greatly cleared up, and then the AC wants to kick on. Okay, so this is my face and I'm gonna put like a side by side of my face originally. My forehead has really cleared up. I don't know if it was a rash or whatever it was. Obviously I still have like some discoloration, as you can see, where like the bumps have gone away, I guess. But my skin has cleared up. One thing I will say, it feels like my skin, like after the first night, it felt like my skin had brightened up extremely, like compared to what it looked like before. My face definitely felt smoother. I do have like one new breakout right here that really hurts. I don't know where that came from. It might have been from something I ate, but other than that, like my forehead has cleared up immensely. And part of the reason I did this was because my forehead was so rough and my face was just, my face was just so rough, and I just was not feeling that. I didn't like it. I don't like it. And my skin, I've never really been prone to acne or anything like that, and just over the past few months, like my skin has just been messing with me, and we're not gonna do that, okay? I'd rather use natural products for my skin rather than using, you know, products that I have to buy. Aloe vera cost me like $1, okay? So what beats $1 and your skin still clears up? I mean, but yeah, I don't really have much to say. You guys can see it yourselves. My skin has cleared up. My forehead is no longer rough. It looks smooth. My skin brightened. The texture of my skin definitely has improved. I don't know if my pores got smaller because I've never really been able to tell if I have large pores or not. Basically what I did in the morning was I wiped my face off with a wet paper towel, and then I would wash my face again and then apply lotion. That's basically it. Let me know if you guys try aloe vera for skin, what other treatments or, you know, natural products you guys have tried. If you have any questions for me, make sure to leave them down in the comment section down below. Links to the soap I use, basically that's the only thing that'll be down in the description bar, because if you need aloe vera, you can go to your local supermarket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please do make sure to click the subscribe button before you exit this video. That would mean so much to me and it helps me out. You guys, we are at 10,500. Yeah, follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm really active on Snapchat and Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there. If you guys would like to see more like skincare videos as I change up my routine, or as I start implementing a routine, let me know. I would be happy, more than happy to film or give you guys tips on what I do to keep my skin clear, because that is what I'm planning on doing, keeping my skin clear. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you and God bless. Bye.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.